year ago, European companies were asking a simple question: what can AI actually do? In 2026, that question has changed. Now businesses are asking, how much money can AI save us? Across Europe, companies are using artificial intelligence to reduce costs, improve efficiency, and stay competitive in a challenging economy. One of the biggest changes is happening in manufacturing. Instead of waiting for machines to break down, AI-powered systems can predict failures before they happen. By analyzing data from sensors, AI can detect unusual patterns and warn engineers weeks in advance. This helps factories avoid expensive shutdowns and save millions of euros every year. Another major transformation is taking place in administration. Banks and insurance companies process huge amounts of paperwork every day. Today, AI can review documents, verify customer information, and process applications in seconds. Tasks that once required days of manual work can now be completed almost instantly. Logistics is also being revolutionized by AI. European transportation companies use AI to analyze traffic, weather conditions, and delivery schedules. This helps reduce fuel consumption, optimize routes, and lower operating costs. AI is also changing how companies manage energy. With energy prices remaining high across Europe, businesses are using AI to monitor and optimize electricity consumption. Some organizations have significantly reduced cooling and operational costs simply by allowing AI to manage energy usage more efficiently. Customer support is another area experiencing major change. Modern AI assistants can answer questions, process requests, and solve common problems in multiple languages. This allows companies to provide faster service while reducing support costs. What makes Europe unique is its focus on balancing innovation with regulation. Companies must comply with privacy laws such as GDPR and the EU AI Act while still benefiting from automation. As a result, many businesses are investing in privacy-focused AI solutions that protect customer data while improving efficiency. Perhaps the most interesting trend is that AI is not replacing workers entirely. Instead, it is helping employees focus on creative thinking, strategy, and higher-value tasks by eliminating repetitive work. The reality is simple. For European businesses, AI is no longer a futuristic experiment. It has become a practical tool for cutting costs, improving productivity, and staying competitive. The companies that succeed in the coming years will be the ones that integrate AI into their daily operations most effectively. Subscribe to AI Pilotage for more AI insights, future technology, and innovation.